Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your IMO account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the IMO app and make sure you are logged in to your account. Tap the user icon in the top left corner of the page. Tap on Settings. From the settings, tap on IMO Account Settings. At the bottom of Account Settings, tap on Delete IMO Account. Tap Delete Account again. On the next page, tap Delete Account again. Enter your phone number and then tap Delete from the top right corner. Tap Delete again on the next page. Then tap Yes on the pop-up. Your IMO account has now been deleted, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.